Today we are solving the miscellaneous exercise 6A line and playing 12 standard Maharashtra board. Problem number from 12 to 18. Okay. Now what is given in problem number 12 is find the angle between x minus 1 upon 1, y minus 2 upon minus 1, z minus 3 upon 2, x minus 1 upon 2, y minus 2 upon 1, z minus 3 upon 1. That you have to find out B1. Okay. Now what is your B1? B1 is equal to I minus j plus 2k. Okay. Now what is your B2? B2 is equal to 2I plus j plus k. Okay. Now from this you can find out B1 dot B2. Okay. Now what will come here? 2 minus 1 plus 2 means what is the value of this is 3. Okay. Now what is the magnitude of B1? What is the magnitude of B2? Is equal to under root of 1 square plus 1 square plus 2 square. Okay. Now this is will be 2 square is 4, 5, 6 means root 6 will come here. Okay. Now what is the value of this is 2 square plus 1 square plus 1 square. Okay. Now this is also root 6. Now I will substitute the value in the formula. Cos theta is equal to B1 dot B2 upon modulus of B1 into modulus of B2. Okay. Now what is the value of this is 3 upon root 6 into root 6. Okay. Now what will come here? 3 upon 6 will come here. Now what is the value of this is 1 by 2. Cos theta is equal to 1 by 2 is equal to cos 60 degree pi by 6 implies theta is equal to 60 degree or pi by 6. This is the required answer for the given problem. You understand? First you have to find out B1, B2, then B1 dot B2, modulus of B1 minus modulus of B2, then apply the formula of cos theta. This formula is already told you. Okay. Now we are going to solve 13, problem number 13. Okay. Now find the angle between x is equal to y and z is equal to 0, and x is equal to 0 and z is equal to 0. Now I can write down x minus 0, okay, upon 1, y minus 0 upon 1 is equal to z minus 0 upon 1. Means my B1 is equal to I plus j plus k. Okay. Now here what is coming? X minus 0 upon 1. Y is not given, means this is 0, and z minus 0 upon 1. So what is my B2 is I plus 0j plus k. Now what I will get? Find out B1 dot B2. 1 into 1 is 1 plus 0 plus 1 means what is the value of this is 2. Okay. Now what I will find out? Magnitude of B1. Okay. What will come here? Under root of 1 plus 1 plus 1 is equal to root 3. Okay. Now what is the value of B2 is under root of 1 plus 0 plus 1 is equal to under root of 2. Okay. B1 is equal to I plus j plus 0k. B2 is equal to I plus 0j plus 1k. Then B1 dot B2 is equal to 1 plus 0 is equal to 1. Modulus of B1 is equal to under root of 1 plus 1, that is root 2. B2 is equal to 1 plus 0 is equal to root 1. Cos theta is equal to 1 upon root 2 into root 1. Root 1 is 1. Therefore, I am writing 1 upon root 2. And what is the value of root 2 in cos theta is 45 degree. Therefore, theta is equal to 45 degree. This is the required answer for the given problem. Okay, is equal to cos 45 degree. Okay, now we will go to the solve 14 problem. Find the angle between. This equation can be written as x minus 0 upon 1. Okay, y plus 0 upon 1 is equal to z minus 0 upon 0. Okay, because z is given 0. X minus 0 upon 0. Y is not given, means y minus 0 upon 1 is equal to z minus 0 upon 1. So what is my b1? B1 is equal to I plus j plus 0k. Okay, b2 is equal to 0i plus j plus 0k. b1 dot b2 is equal to, what will come here? This is 0, this is 1 and this is 0. Okay, now this is the value of 1. Modulus of b is equal to under root of 2 will come here, b2 will come to be under root of 1. Therefore, cos theta is equal to b1 b2 is 1. Okay, now what is the modulus of b1 is root 2. Modulus of b2 is 1. Again, what value is coming? 1 upon root 2. That is equal to cos 45 degree. Okay, now theta is equal to 45 degree. This is the required answer for the given problem. We are going to solve problem number 15. Find the coordinate of foot of perpendicular drawn from 0 to 3 and the line equation of line is given. The coordinate of P are 0, 2 and 3. The coordinate of M you have to find out. For this you have to consider the equation of line is equal to lambda. So x is equal to 5 lambda minus 3 will come here. Y is equal to 2 lambda plus 1 will come here. Z is equal to 3 lambda minus 4 will come here. These three are the coordinate of point M. Now the direction ratio of PM is find out by subtracting this with this, y coordinate with y and z coordinate with z. So 5 lambda minus 3 minus 0 plus 2 lambda plus 1 minus 2, 3 lambda minus 4 minus 3. So I am getting the direction ratio of PM is 5 lambda minus 3, 2 lambda minus 1 and 3 lambda minus 7. Okay, now the direction ratios of the given line is given as 5, 2 and 3. You know that PM is perpendicular to this line. Therefore, the product of direction ratios of the two must be equal to 0. So, 5 into 5 lambda minus 3 plus 2 into 2 lambda minus 1 plus 3 into 3 lambda minus 7 is equal to 0. So by multiplying I am getting 25 lambda minus 5 3 is 15, 2 2 is 4 lambda minus 2 plus 9 lambda minus 21 is equal to 0. That is equal to 38 lambda minus 38 is equal to 0. Lambda is 1. Now I am putting this value in the coordinate of M. So I am getting the answer. So 5 into 1 minus 3 that is 2. 2 into 1 plus 1 is 3. 3 1 is 3 minus 4 is minus 1. This is the required answer. Means first you have to find out the coordinate of M. Then subtract this with the coordinate of P. You will get the direction ratio of PM. Then consider the direction ratio of given line. Then by the condition they are perpendicular, the product of direction ratio is equal to 0. You will get the value of lambda and substitute this coordinate, you will get the value of coordinate of M. This is very important sum. Okay. Now we will go to the problem number 16. This type of problem we already done. Find the shortest distance and check the line intersect or not. R is given 5i plus 7j minus 3k plus lambda. Found 5j plus 5k. R is equal to 6i 8j minus 2k plus mu into ij plus k. Okay. Now my a1 is equal to this A2 is equal to this, B1 is equal to this, B2 is equal to this. Now I will get x1, y1, z1 as 5, 7, minus 3, x2 is 6, 8 and minus 2, x2, y2 and z2. Then L1, M1, N1 is 4, 5, 5, 1, 1, 1 are the L2, M2 and N2. By the formula already I told you that D is equal to x2 minus x1, y2 minus y1, z2 minus z1, L1, M1, N1, L2, M2, N2. Now substituting the value of this, you observe that here the two rows are equal, and you know the properties of the determinant. In 11th standard you are already studied. If the two rows or the column of the determinant are equal, then the determinant value is equal to 0. Means the value of determinant is coming to be 0. Therefore the line intersect each other. Okay. Now we are going to solve problem number 17. If the lines are intersect, x minus 1 upon 2, y plus 1 upon 3, z minus 1 upon 4, x minus 2 upon 1, y plus m upon 2 and z minus 2 upon 1. Find the value of m. Again I am writing here x1, y1, z1. Okay. What is the value of x1 is 1. This is minus 1. Again 1. What is the value of x2, y2 and z2? Okay. This is 2. This is minus m. Again 2 will come here. Now what is the value of L1, M1, N1? Is 2, 3 and 4. L2, M2, N2. What is the value is 1, 2, 1. I know that determinant means D is equal to intersect. So now I am taking the determinant x2 minus x1. 2 minus 1 is 1. Minus m minus plus 1 means minus m plus 1 will come here. 2 minus 1 is 1. Okay. Now 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 1. Now I am simplifying this one. Determinant must be equal to 0. Intersect है तो that is 1. Okay. 3 1 ja 3. Okay. Minus 4 2 ja 8. Minus sign. Here I am writing 1 minus m. Okay. Now 2 1 ja 2. Minus 4 will come here. Plus 1. 2 2 ja 4. Minus 3 is equal to 0. Now what will come here? Minus 5 will come here. This is minus 2 means here plus sign will come here and 2 से multiply करो. 2 minus 2m plus. Okay. What is coming? 4 minus 3 is 1. 1 into 1 is 1. Okay. Now what will come? 3 minus 2 means what is coming? Minus 2m minus 2 is equal to 0. That is minus 2m is equal to minus 2, m is equal to minus 1. This is the required answer for the given problem. Okay. Now we are going to solve problem number 18. Find the Cartesian equation and the equation of line passing through minus 1, minus 1, 2 and 2x minus 2 upon 1, 3y plus 1 upon 1, 6z minus 2 upon 1. Okay. Now from this point I can write down a is equal to minus I minus j plus 2k. Okay. Now I will arrange this equation. The coefficient of x must be 1. So I will divide the whole by 2. So what will come here? X minus 1 upon 1 by 2. Okay. Now here also 3. So I will divide by 3. So y plus 1 by 3 upon what will come here? 1 by 3. Okay. Now here I am dividing by 6. So z minus 2 by 6 is again 1 by 3. Okay. Now 1 by 6 will come here. The direction ratios of these lines are 1 by 2, 1 by 3 and 1 by 6. Now I will multiply whole by 6. So what will come here? 3 will come here. Here 2 will come here. Here 1 is coming. Then my b is equal to 3i plus 2j plus k. Okay. Now vector equation is equal to r is equal to a plus lambda b. Okay. Now I am substituting the value minus I minus j plus 2k plus lambda into 3i plus 2j plus k. Okay. This is my vector equation. Okay, now this is my vector equation. Now I am writing Cartesian equation. Okay, how I will write down this as x minus 1 है तो plus 1 आएगा, upon 3 will come here. Okay, now this is also y plus 1 upon 2 will come here, then z minus 2 upon 1 will come here. This is the required answer for the given problem.